Today's innovation is tomorrow's legacy. And that's why it is always important to continuously innovate to keep that momentum going. Hi, my name is Leslie Sequeira. I'm the Chief Information Officer of Patrick Industries. I think we have a lot of use cases that in my career I've experienced through automation. One of the ones that we are going through right now at Patrick Industries is in our accounts payable. We have more than 8,000 invoices that come in on a monthly basis. And so we are using the AI platform of UiPath, which is document understanding, in order to understand our invoices and then translate them into data. So we are going through that journey. We are not done through all 8,000. It will take us some time, but that is one of our most interesting use cases. And the AP department right now is so excited that they actually named their first bot, Emily. And she has a supervisor as well, and the second bot is being named Doris. So it's really exciting when you see that the business is excited about automation and some of this transformation that it can bring. I think I've got a lot of reactions. My team has got a lot of reaction over the years, like, this is amazing, this is helping me do my work better. But one of the best ones that I remember was pretty emotional when one of our business associates came to me and said that you are really making my job fun. I'm able to actually focus on what is interesting to me. This is why I joined this job, but till now I wasn't able to do what I love to do. And I think that is pretty powerful. So I think that is something that stayed with me for a long time. If you can get your employees and your associates to be better engaged in what they do, if they get better satisfaction at their work, I think they are happier in their personal lives as well. And I think that is how you make a difference. Now, there is a lot of implicit benefit for a business as well, and cost and other things, but it is how you affect the people that work within your organization is how you make a difference. I think there is no secret sauce as such. It all depends on the organization and the culture within that organization and the relationship with the business that you can build. I think those relationships are number one to scale and adopt automation. Now, you definitely need to have a good automation operating model that you have to put in place. Now, what we have done is we have created an automation operating model with a COE, and we are looking at scaling both from the top down and the bottom up. So we want to bring in new ideas on a constant basis, have proof of concepts that come in so that we are not stagnated. Remember, today's innovation is tomorrow's legacy. And that's why it is always important to continuously innovate to keep that momentum going. And that is our operating model, and that's how we are moving forward. We want to encourage citizen development, but we also want to have governance and guardrails around that. We don't want it to go rampant, right? And that's why I think it is important to have the right level of training program to set the guardrails as to where the citizenship development will impact, whether it is only your job, whether it's your department, or whether it's the entire organization. Remember, the tools that citizen develops bring in and the solutions that they provide need to work even after that citizen moves into a different role or outside of the organization as well. And I think having that governance is critical in order to promote citizen development. I think I can just speak from my experience of multiple organizations and multiple tools. I think those who are looking to take a leap, my number one advice would be go with a leading edge technology. UiPath is something that I have used in the past multiple times in multiple organizations. As the saying goes, you win with winners. And I've seen the people at UiPath invest in their customers, build the relationship with my business itself, and help us solve the problems. On the technology front, I believe that UiPath is investing in a big way to promote the product and develop it so that it is omnipresent within the organization. So it goes beyond just platform and automation to also people and integration and how you can scale this product. We do not want to stagnate with what we have built. And that's why we are continuously improving by creating proof of concepts. So every time there is a new development on the AI-based platform of UiPath, we want to make sure that we are adopting new technology on a constant basis. Now, we may create a proof of concept and everything may not be scaled up, but at least we know, and if we find success, we can replicate success on a continuous basis. And that's our future roadmap. We also want to focus not only on cost and business process, but bring in a culture of innovation through automation and affect the ways of working itself. So that is our goal for the future. One of the things is we are competing for the same dollars when it comes to our automation, whether it comes to ERP and other platforms as well. And I think the philosophy here is what is providing the greatest value for our associates in the ways of working, what is providing the greatest value for us as an enterprise. And you have to make those calls and those tough choices. But I think automation is helping us scale up in multiple areas pretty rapidly. And I think at the end of the day, one of the thoughts that I would like to leave the audience with is that through our digital transformation and automation, we are not seeking a destination. For us, it is a continuous journey of adopting new digital technology to improve the ways of working, how we impact and bring value to our customers. We believe that automation is helping us there, helping us drive a culture of innovation.